I'm gonna cry right now. Listen, I cannot cope with this. The noise! Who the fuck creates a jacket that is this loud? Like, why would you do that? My bad for not reading the description, but I really just thought this was gonna turn up and be leather. Nope. It's quite expensive, but no. It's not leather, it's fucking plastic. It sounds like a balloon. It sounds and feels like a fucking balloon. It's disgusting! Disgusting! Do you know what it sounds well? I love it. I love it. I love the way it looks. It's blue. It's not really coming across as blue, but it is blue. This is a navy jacket. It looks black, but it's stunning. I'm so annoyed. I'm so devastated.